this is another, actually, I'll let you go and tell me a little bit about this and how you're teaching him to actually do the makeup.
So this is Les Price, and he is cosplaying as Absorbing Man today. And Absorbing Man is a villain in the Marvel world who crosses paths with the Avengers, mostly the Avengers. But what we did to make this happen was a very interesting process. It's a use of craft foam, puffy paint, and latex. And it's a little time consuming, but it's actually all on his skin. It's pretty durable. You can see he's got the chains. It moves really nicely. You can go ahead and touch it. It's on there.
It's on there.
But this is one of the really great creative things that doing cosplay and doing makeup for so long that we were able to come up with this technique really on our own and do something that was a little bit different and be able to apply a lot of the things that you might find around the house to your cosplay. And that's one of my favorite things about cosplay.
Now let me ask you a question. Is it easier to make up someone else or to do the stuff on yourself?
Depends who the person is.
Why? He doesn't stand still, is that right?
He's learning how to stand still a little bit better, but you know, he has an opinion where things should go. I have an opinion on where things should go. So, but it's good because I've been teaching him all the while how to do it. So each time he goes to apply it, he's able to put more and more on it himself.
Excellent. Very cool. Well, I'm looking forward. We'll be at New York Comic Con, so I'll look forward to seeing you guys there.
Great.
And we'll have I don't know.